Hey guys, today we are going to learn the chords for centuries. Let me go through the chords. E minor, G, C, A minor, D. And I'm going to show you two ways to play the C, so let me show you the other way. So that was the harder way. Some people think it's harder. I'm going to show you a little bit of an easier way to transition from G to this next C. So here's E minor again, G, new C, A minor, then D. Alright, so let's get started learning those chords. So E minor, you are going to take your second finger, so first, second, third, fourth fingers. So that's when I'm talking about the different fingers, that's what they are. So second finger on the second fret of the A string, third finger on the second fret of the D string. And you're going to play all 6 strings 4 times. Then G is going to be your first finger on the second fret of the A string, your second finger on the third fret of the low E string, your third finger on the third fret of the B string, and your fourth finger on the third fret of the high E string. And that one sounds like this. Play all 6 strings 4 times as well. This is the hard C, and it is first finger on the B string on the first fret, second finger on the D string on the second fret, and third finger on the A string on the third fret, and play the bottom 5 strings. Then the next one is A minor, and let me show you a trick to move to A minor from here. You're going to leave your top 2 fingers in place, so your first and second finger, and you're just going to move your third finger to the second fret of the G string, and you play the bottom 5 strings again. So again, A minor is first finger on B, first fret of B, second finger on second fret of D, and third finger on the second fret of G, and you play the bottom 5, and you play that one twice. Then the last chord is D, and you put your first finger on the second fret of G, second finger on the second fret of high E, and your third finger in between those two on the third fret of B, and you play the bottom 4 for this one. Alright, so let me go through with those chords. E minor, G, C, A minor, D. Alright, so I promised you a different way to play the C. So let's go back to our G. First finger on the second fret, second finger on the third fret of low E, third finger on the third fret of B, and your fourth finger on the third fret of high E. So all we're going to do to get to that new C is we're just going to take our first and second fingers and move them down a string. So now your first finger's on the second fret of D, and your second finger is on the third fret of A, and you're going to play the bottom 5 strings. So watch that change again. So here's G, here's the new C, G, new C. Alright, let's try it with that version of C. E minor, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, G, C, A minor, D, one more time, E minor, G, C, A Thanks for watching, guys. If you would like to learn more songs on the guitar, more chords, or more easy versions to play along with your kids, just check out more of my videos. And if you have a song that you would love to hear me teach, or teach an easy version, whichever one, just leave a comment below and click subscribe above and check out more of my videos. See you next time.